I used to rely on Viagra every single time until one night something changed. This small blue tube, it replaced the little blue pill, and I never looked back. Wait until you see what happened in just 10 minutes. Stick around, because if you're over 35, this might change everything. Let me be clear. I wasn't looking to switch from Viagra. I thought it was the only option. Until side effects hit hard, headaches, heart racing, and zero spontaneity. But then, I came across something quietly gaining attention. No prescription, no pills, just a gel called Eroxon. A gel that works in 10 minutes or less? Yeah, right. That was my first reaction too, but curiosity won. And let me tell you, what happened next shocked me. I found clinical trials backing it. Even European doctors were recommending Eroxon before it even made it mainstream. A discreet gel that absorbs fast, works locally, and boosts performance without messing with your blood pressure. And here's the real kicker, it worked on day one. I'm not a doctor, but I'm a guy in his 40s who was losing his edge. The real fear wasn't ED. It was what ED was doing to my relationship. And I know I'm not alone. 1 in 3 men over 35 deal with this. And most suffer in silence. But here's what no one tells you. You don't have to stay stuck with pills, prescriptions, and side effects. You can fix this naturally. After 7 days with Eroxon plus daily Kegels, I felt stronger, faster, and more confident than I had in years. And the best part? Zero side effects. No awkward doctor visits, no pressure. So, still wasting money on ED pills? Stop. Now. Give Eroxon Gel a shot. Add 3 minutes of Kegels daily. The combo? A total game changer.